Hi, I'm Paul. I'm the store manager for BUCO in Tokai. My role in this business is to be a support to my team. When I walk in the morning, that's the first thing that is on my mind is how do I support my sales consultants, how do I support my admin staff, how do I support the whole business as best I can. Lungile is one of our family members at BUCO Tokai. He's been with the business for over 22 years. He's proud to serve people in the community, proud to serve his customer in the yard. Well done, Lungile. So Mike Breakfast has been with the business for over 25 years, wealth of knowledge, incredible guy, loves his customers. He's got a loyal base of people that follow him at our store, and just an example of the kind of culture and people that we have in our team. And it just shows the longevity that we build here because of a family culture. They're loyal, they are fantastic staff members, they really look after the people that come through these doors. We offer paint services, color matching, we sell any kind of paint for any kind of application, roof, wall, ceiling, doesn't matter what it is. And Ralton is one of our experts in store. He's been with us for a number of years, great color matcher, good personal service, really expert in what he does. We offer services like reading plans. Our sales consultants are very, very professional when it comes to understanding what needs to go into a building project. Feel free to come and explore those services with us. As an additional service to our building plan reading, we also have our very own truss plant. We manufacture trusses and we build them specifically to spec. I've been in retail for 32 years. Started my retail career in a nursery or garden center similar to this one, and it's where I learned to have a passion for customer service. When purchasing timber for your project, make sure that it's quality timber. We only buy from select sawmills because we believe in giving our customers quality product. One of the biggest mistakes that consumers make, or DIY enthusiasts, is that they look for the cheapest option, and it's not always the best option. Sometimes quality costs a little bit of money, and we believe in selling quality brands. I'm a firm believer that you should measure twice, cut once. It's a key to the success of any project. I prefer to buy a Bosch digital measure. It helps you with any project that you could do. A solid workbench is something you need in your workshop. For any DIY, BOI or contractor customer, it just helps with making sure that your project is done properly. A fully kitted out toolbox is also an essential for any DIY or BIY consumer. It's important to have the right tools for the right job. BUCO are proudly partnering with My Design Rules. We believe in investing in young designers is very important in order to help support them in their building needs. At BUCO Tokai, we service a very big contractor base. We have retail customers coming in, DIY, BIY customers. We service customers from Constantia Hills right down to Muizenberg, Steenberg, Kirstenhof. Everybody's welcome to come to our store.